To live forevermore.
Oh, wala na. Pangina, joke.
Madam!
Kailangan practice yan. Dali go.
Forevermore.
Yay!
Thank you! Ano sabi ko? Hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo.
Evening!
Sorry, medyo walang plancha yung t-shirt ko dahil natulog akong sa kotse.
Konbanwa!
Ha?
Konbanwa!
Ano sasabihin ko? Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you very much. At Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat.
Merry Christmas!
Maraming salamat.
I love you!
I love you more.
Ay, sinabaso!
Nagsumbrero talaga. At anong tawag nito? Yun, maraming salamat for always supporting me, and I hope you guys don't get tired of it. Thank you very much.
No, we
Can I
won't.
have something for you? Siyempre, you guys always have something for me. Ako naman I have something for you. Later, when you guys go out.
Yay!
Love you guys. Maraming salamat.
Love you, Madera!
So, mag-start tayo ng game. Hindi alisin mag-episode. Ano?